In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to Google Sites. If you want to understand how visitors use your site, what pages they view, how long they stay, and where they come from, connecting Google Analytics is the simplest way to get that insight. Before we start, have your Google Analytics tracking ID ready. It will either begin with UA for older Universal Analytics properties or G for the newer Google Analytics 4 measurement IDs. Most new properties use the G format. Begin by opening Google Sites and editing the site you want to track. Make sure you're in the correct site if you manage more than one. You need to be in the editor view, not just the published site, so you can access the site settings. Next, look to the top right corner of the editor and click the gear-shaped settings icon. This opens your site's configuration panel. From here, choose the option labeled Analytics. This is where Google Sites allows you to connect your site to Google Analytics without editing code manually. Now take your tracking ID and paste it into the field provided. Double check that you've included the full ID exactly as shown in your Analytics account. For Google Analytics 4, it will look like G followed by a series of letters and numbers. For Universal Analytics, it will start with UA and include numbers separated by dashes. Avoid extra spaces before or after the ID, and make sure you're using the property that corresponds to this specific site, especially if you manage multiple properties. Once your ID is entered, click Apply. That's it. Your Google site is now configured to send data to your Analytics property. The setting saves immediately. If your site uses the publish workflow, your usual publish action will push any changes live to visitors. After connecting, data may take a little time to appear. For a quick check, open your site in a new browser tab and use the real-time report in Google Analytics to see if your visit is detected. Keep in mind that ad blockers or privacy settings can prevent tracking, so it's helpful to test from a standard browser session or a private window. If you don't see data, verify the ID, confirm you use the correct property, and ensure there are no typos or extra characters. And that's all it takes. You've added analytics to your Google site, giving you meaningful data to guide your content and improve your visitors' experience.